I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario on piano for beginners. We'll begin by finding middle C, often marked or located near the center of your piano. Then, we'll focus on just three essential notes, E, C, and G. These are the building blocks for the main melody. Practice playing them slowly and clearly with your right hand to get comfortable. Now let's put those notes together to form the main melody. The sequence is E, 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 C, E, G. Try to maintain a steady rhythm as you play, perhaps counting to 4 in your head. Repeat this short phrase several times. This repetition is key to developing muscle memory and making the tune flow smoothly. To make the Super Mario theme sound fuller, we'll add a simple left-hand accompaniment. Your left hand will play bass notes, specifically C and G octaves. Start by practicing these left-hand parts independently. Once you're comfortable, try coordinating both hands, playing very slowly at first. Focus on the timing between them. Consistent practice is crucial for improvement. Aim for at least 15 minutes of practice each day. Using a metronome can significantly help you develop precise timing and a steady tempo. Once you're confident with this basic version, feel free to explore online resources for more advanced arrangements and variations of the Super Mario theme.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.